In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up price alerts on Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. First, go to your Robinhood Legend account. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. From here, you will be taken into your main Robinhood Legend workspace, where you can manage your trading tools and settings. Once you are on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the stock or ETF you want to track, or enter its ticker symbol. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear. Select the correct stock or ETF from the results. After selecting it, you will be taken to its details page, where you can view the price chart and overview information in one place. On this page, look near the top area of the screen where the price chart and overview information are shown. Find the bell icon and click or tap it. This will open the price alerts section. Select Add Alert. You will now see options for setting your alert conditions. Choose whether you want the alert to trigger when the price goes above a certain level or below a certain level, depending on your strategy. After selecting the condition, enter the price value you want the alert to be based on. Double-check the price you entered to make sure it is correct. Once everything looks right, select Save. Your price alert will now be created for that stock or ETF. From this point forward, the alert will remain active in your account. When the stock or ETF reaches your selected price level, you will receive a notification so you can take action based on the market movement. To manage or review your alerts later, return to the same bell icon section on the stock or ETF page. There you can view any active alerts or adjust them if needed. That is how you set up price alerts on Robinhood Legend, choose your price conditions, and save them for ongoing monitoring of your selected investments.